If you are like me and only have a few good wild game recipes, this show is for you. You won't believe how great you can cook wild game.
And once again, we are back doing our last segment of this beautiful cooking, Damo Soul Food style Mexican cooking. We have here some fresh corn off the cob, or you say corn on the cob. We have off the cob in our cornbread. Then we have some mayo, some Parmesan with some black pepper in it, Parmesan shake cheese. Then we have some cheddar, some shredded cheddar we add into our dish, our corn also. The first process into doing this dish is to remember to get messy and just have a lot of fun. If you got kids at home, you got somebody that want to come help, like Rich, if you want to come out and do a couple of these corns, I would love it because this is such a fun thing, and I think he'll love this also. Just like when we made the dirt dessert, I think he had a good time with that. So the first thing we're making this is to remember to pick a nice sized piece of corn. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn that corn inside of my mayo mixture. So it'll look like this. Now I'm going to put that corn inside of my Parmesan cheese and turn it back right into the mayo. And then we're going to put it into our shredded cheese. And that's going to finish off that beautiful corn. You want to keep it warm. We're just going to put it inside of a piece of tin foil like so. We're going to turn this corn like this. And I don't know if you ever bought a piece of candy, old fashioned from the candy store, but if you just grab each end of the tin foil and you turn it, you can make a big piece of candy out of your corn on the cob, just like so. And you can throw these on the grill, or you can just give them out as so, and they can eat these babies just how they are. Now I'm gonna call Rich in here, because I want Rich to make one of these. They're pretty fun. Rich, where you at, man? I need you to come in here and make some corn on the cob with me.
All right.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? All right. So right now we're making candy corn on the cob.
Oh, it looks like one of them Christmas candy wraps.
Yep. So basically, you're gonna take a nice sized piece of corn, and you wanna roll it in the mayo. I'm gonna bring this closer for you a little bit. All right, and this is just something fun you can do once again with family members, or you got some Mexican friends that love corn on the cob. Just something you can surprise them with.
Roll it in cheese.
Roll in some cheese. And then lightly back in the mayo.
Oh, really?
Yep. And now shredded cheese. You didn't put enough mayo on there. You need some more mayo. A little bit more mayo on there. There you go. Now add some more cheese so that cheese can stick. All right, just like that. Now you take your piece of candy corn wrap paper over there. All right, you sit it in the middle like that. And well, you got a bigger piece of corn, so let's get a bigger piece of wrap. Here you go. You just wrap it. So you wrap each side. Tastes pretty good, don't it?
It does taste good.
All right.
Unique.
So you wrap each side, just like so, just like that. And then you lift it high, and then you twist it on each end, and just like that.
All right.
All right, and now you can throw these, like I said, on the grill, or you can just give them out, you know, and just give them to people for them to enjoy. So, like we can make a couple more here. And another thing I like to do with these is I add a little bit of seasoning to my cheese to give it a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of seasoning. You can add any seasoning you want.
Cajun stuff on there?
Yep, I'm gonna put a little bit of Cajun seasoning in there. And when they taste this corn right here, You'll be like the spotlight of the talk town out there.
Talk of the town.
That's right. All right, we're back at the Wild Things show. I'm cooking our soul food fiesta today, and now I'm going to take out my ribs from the oven because they are crispy and smell great. This should be also ready. Mexican corn, taken out. All this together is our meal that we call Damo's Soul Food Fiesta. And I can't eat this meal alone. I have to call someone right now. One of my great friends, Rich. Pretty sure he's hungry. Got some plates here. All right, Rich, you got some forks?
Yeah, I got some forks.
All right, how's it going?
Pretty good, pretty good. This looks great.
Yeah, thank you. So we've been cooking all day and got some corn, Mexican corn, some pork and beef ribs, some cornbread with corn on the cob, and some beans, some hot sweet baked beans. So you want to, you can help yourself, and we make a plate and tell the people how this tastes. I'm just adding a little bit of butter on each piece of cornbread to bring out that sweetness of that butter or that corn. So what did you think you might want, a beef or a pork rib?
Let's try a beef rib first.
Okay, so this beef rib is marinated in a brown sugar and a honey molasses. It also has garlic and bell pepper added to it. Then, did you want to try everything at once?
Yeah, we'll put a piece of cornbread on there.
Okay, so we got some cornbread for you. And then we also got our Mexican corn we made earlier. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You gotta eat this right out of the tinfoil, else you'll miss all that goodness.
I'm with Dominic Donald from Donald's Dynamite Catering.
There you go.
And we got some wonderful dishes today. He's a Louisiana family style chef. And we got some ribs, some cornbread, and some Fiesta corn, and we got some beans over here too that look really good. So.
Yep.
Cornbread has a little bit of corn in it. So is this a finger food?
Well, you can say that, but we also do have some beans we cooked. You can use a spoon or your fingers. I don't know plenty of people that eat beans with their fingers, but this is a dish right here that is very good to eat with a lot of people. To stretch your meals also.
There's a little bit of Cajun spice on this rib.
We put some Cajun spices on these ribs. We also added a little bit of garlic to our marinade to lock in that flavor.
You'll have to go to our website, dimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game, and you can watch him make this complete meal. This is really good. So.
Yeah, thank you. You can just log on to there and watch us make this beautiful meal, and we give you the steps piece by piece on how easy we put this together under an hour, and you'll love it. Your family will love it.
Now, cooking time, including cutting up all the vegetables, is about 2 hours on this. And there's enough food here for what, 10, 12 people?
And you can feed about 9 or 10 people with this food, easily.
Now tell me about these baked beans. It's got, we could put venison burger in here. There's burger in here.
Yeah, there's sirloin burger in here, but you can add venison. You can add any kind of meat you want to. One time I did add a little bit of chicken to it, like a chicken bean dish. I prefer beef because you can taste that flavor with the beans a little bit better when it mixes in.
We got a little bit of bacon and some veggies. What kind of veggies? We have peppers, onions?
We got some green peppers, yellow peppers, some white onion, some red peppers.
And there's a little Cajun spice in here too.
That's right. Because, you know, wouldn't be right without the Cajun.
Very good.
Thank you.
Well, I'm going to go find a chair to sit down at, so Dominic will have to clean up. So.
Well, I'm glad y'all enjoyed it, and we hope you tune back in and watch us cook some more.
Enjoy.
Bon appetit.